In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. To adjust some options first, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. To manage your recording, click on it and operate all of those options however you wish to. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner to use those two as well. If you wish to rename it from here, hold it, tap on rename, type in whatever you want to and choose OK. To get rid of it, hold it, choose delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!